going to get my pasta. Unboxing video, and today we're opening this goodie bag.
Okay, show me what's in your goodie bag. First, show me your goodie bag.
Okay.
This is the goodie bag.
The backpack, and there's a water bottle.
What? Let me see what's in that water bottle. Ooh, let me see. Show me. Oh my gosh, let's see. Mirage Carnival. Real nice.
Look
Let's
at
see.
this.
What else is in your goodie bag? What's in there?
Activity book.
Oh my gosh, activity book. So you have a whole like back to school kit and a brand new back to school backpack. So cute. And you have, what's this inside here? A little pencil case?
Yeah, a little pencil case.
That's perfect, actually. And what else is here in this bag? You got some pencils?
Yeah.
That's cute. What else is in there?
Going to put the pencil.
Come on, show me all the goodies.
I want to put my pencil in here.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Ooh. It's hard to put in. There you go. Look, it's a body.
Oh, you got candies.
Yeah, and the straw.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, what's after this?
That's a kaleidoscope.
Yeah. And look at this candy.
What else you get?
Look.
Oh, that's cute. Is that a little car?
Yeah, that's the candy.
Boy, can we finish
No,
unboxing?
let's see. Oh, see. And, ooh.
More candies?
Yep. And there's no more candies.
What else is in there?
Like, oh, like what is this? Oh,
An
it's
eraser. Put in your pencil case.
a... Yeah.
All right, y'all. So as a parent, this right here, game changer. We've got books, memo pads, sticky notes,
Wait, there's something else in there.
glue sticks.
There's something else in there.
What else is in there?
Oh, look.
Ooh, you got a little squishy thing, and
A bracelet.
what does it say? Can I see? Be fit, be fresh, be carnival. Really cute.
And look
Anyway,
at
they
this.
have
We
a...
can draw this.
Oh, it's a bookmark. There's a phonics book in here, which is dope. We've got some flashcards for addition. Ooh, a ruler, a flexible one. Very cool.
Ruler.
We've got color
Let's take it
pencils. Do you know what a ruler is for?
What?
More sticky notes and some
Can we take this out?
mechanical pencils.
Can we take the ruler out? Please take the ruler out.
Why do you need the ruler? What are you gonna rule? What are you gonna measure?
Thank you for checking out my goodie bag, guys.
Are you excited to go on the road tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go.
Hey, my friends, today we're going to the Kiddies Carnival.
Are you excited?
Yeah, and the sun's coming up.
Are you gonna dance up your body?
Yeah.
Let me see you. Let me see how you're gonna dance. Eight, 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 eight. So Skyler had a great time on the stage, but at this point, oh my gosh, Mommy, I'm hot. Mommy, I'm tired. My feet hurting me. Can you carry me, please? He lasted about 5 more minutes and then I had to carry him on my back the rest of the way. So it was definitely a good workout for Mommy. If you are into carnival, Vincy Mas is definitely one worth checking out. Not only can you bring the kiddies, but the adult experience is even more vibesy. Make sure you guys check out Mirage Carnival and be sure to tell them I sent you. And always remember, the sky is the limit.